What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Crypto here. In this video, we shall be taking a good look at Bitcoin. Sorry, this video will be coming late. I'm very sorry about that. I've been extremely busy doing some chores and all what's not. 9 to 5 reality. So yeah, back to where we currently are right now. You could see clearly that my analysis have been going perfectly. The reason why I have to make this video is simply because it needed to be made, or it needed to be put out there. So you could see clearly yesterday, before I jump into Bitcoin, we could see clearly yesterday that crude oil was crazily elevated. I would have made a middle of the market updates yesterday, but I dozed off. So we could see it clearly right here that from looking at crude oil, we could see crude oil is currently at over $100, and I made it known to us yesterday that we have this major resistance right here to break out of, which is $98, and you could see we have broken above this resistance. Now by Monday, I honestly don't know how this is going to go, because it's all going to be highly dependent on how the market will be, or how the fundamentals or the geopolitical tension will look like. If there is some level of de-escalation over this weekend, so in less than 48 hours, we'll decide how the market will play out next week. The geopolitical level, or the critical fundamentals right now, will definitely determine how the market will play out next week. So I think for now, we should probably expect a pullback into this level at $98 before we probably break above $103. Left to me, I still think that even though we see crude oil dropping all the way down to $77 this year, due to the fact that war is not something that ends in less than 2 months, 3 months, I still think that crude oil will still go all the way as high as $115-120 this year, because inflation will definitely kick into the market. So looking at the S&P 500, the S&P 500 is still very much bearish. I made it known to us that the S&P 500 has broken this trend line right here, which we definitely send it all the way down to $6,180. Gold, on the other hand, still looking very much bullish, because we have not broken below this major support right here at $4,344 or $45, which is very good. Now back to Bitcoin. Like I said, it depends on the geopolitical right now. The geopolitical or the fundamentals within the next 48 hours will determine how the market will move next week. Now, if the geopolitical happens to be positive, let me take all of this away for us to see. If the geopolitical, I have to use the daily right here, because you could see clearly right here that this is a bear flag pattern. So with the look of things, we have not broken above this bear flag pattern. Sorry, neither have we invalidated this bear flag pattern. So because of that, I would say that we have broken out from this bear flag pattern. So right now we have to find support around here at $65,000. Find support around here, reclaim this major support at 67,500 before rallying into running above 71,500 or $400, finding support around here, then rally into $78,000. This is definitely what we should be expecting if the market happens to within the next 48 hours. The fundamentals should be good, but if the fundamentals are not looking great, I would say the best thing we should be expecting is a retest around this level right here, or this resistance from this bear flag pattern, and we are going to be heading all the way down. Now if you want to see where this bear flag pattern is leading, you could see clearly from this chart that the bear flag pattern is the target for this bear flag pattern is mostly around here at 44,600 level. Now, is there a possibility for us to should I say break above that, rally into that level this year? Yes, there's every possibility for that to be possible. And is there a possibility for us to break this level? Because you could see from this chart right here, I think from the 4 hours time frame, looking at this chart right here, from the 4 hours time frame, we've kind of broken it, but we've kind of reclaimed it right here. So I would say for now that the best thing to do is sit and wait for a major breakout. So if we're not getting a major breakout, I would say we are good to go. But once we get a major breakout from this level, I would say we'll be heading all the way down. So I think analyzing this chart right now, you could see we've gotten rejected from this major resistance at $69,156. We are most likely going to probably retest here, drop all the way down to 64,831, and the moment we break below this level at $64,800, I would say that we're most likely going to be heading towards the downside. So I would say for now we don't even we don't even need to go below 65,800. We don't need to go below 65,800 to 65,700, because any move below that will definitely send the market really really low. So for now, it's either we find support around here, since we've reclaimed this major resistance, find support around here and rally much higher. So I think if this is not going to be the case, then the bearish scenario will most likely be the case. Now from this other chart right here, sorry that the network is kind of poor. From this other chart right here, you could see we've also broken out from here. If I should check this from the daily time frame, you could see it clearly from the daily time frame that we've actually broken out from this level. So things will not be looking good anytime from now. So let's not just break below this major support at 64,800, because the moment we do that, we're most likely going to be heading towards the downside for Bitcoin again. So that was too much of your time. If you do enjoy this video, subscribe, turn on post notification, smash that like button, and share this video with your friends, guys. Peace out.